What's up, guys? So we're currently trying to run some cables. See these cables right here? This device, we're gonna run them through the side of the cab here and side, and then we're gonna run them through the top and then into that system right there. That's a camera, a live camera system. So that's what we're currently doing right now, trying to fix it and make it look good. I'm gonna take these bolts, and yep, we need a different size here. So that's what we're currently working on. Staying busy. This wire too, it broke. Electrical wire, it has these are really in bad shape now, so we don't have lights in the trailer, so we're currently going to replace this cable and then go from there. So got a lot of work today. We need to take off this piece right here. Just like that. I'm gonna leave it here. It gives me access there. Got that piece there. Gotta take this one out. For this one, we're gonna have to. Oh, got one right there. Got a 10mm bolt right there. Okay. 10, 12, 13, 10. We'll take the 12 too. I think it's 13. Nope. No, it is. I was trying the 12 out. Yep. It's 13mm. There's enough room. Take it off. Okay. Good. Okay. So we can run it up here. I need to take this thing off. I'm connecting now. I ran the cables really good. Okay, it's locked in. Now, this is gonna go in the back over here. And then we're gonna put this guy here. Dun, 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 dun. That way it can look nice. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Good. Tuck it in there. missing a piece here. Missing a tab. Okay. Yep. Looks way better now. There you go. And then the other cables. The other cable, it's from the top. We're gonna put a little bit of tape there, and then it comes down. This comes off, so that piece right here, it's gonna be there in the corner because it doesn't fit inside, there or the bottom. So, embargo! So it's looking good, you guys. Looking good. So now we put all the stuff back, nice and tight, and then we put I'm gonna put the if you guys do these types of jobs, you guys gotta be very careful with the wires, with the plastics, because they are very very fragile. So now we get these guys, these small guys. Tightening them. Good. Good, you guys. Trash. So now we're gonna get some tape and then put it on top over there on the corner, and then it'll look nice. And then we jump on to the next job. Alright guys, so we're installing all the hoses now. Gotta get back there and take those ones off. And yep, that's where we're at right now. Let's see. Hopefully I fit through here. Yep. This will do it. Oh, I gotta take it out from here. Okay, take this thing off. It's a size 10, I believe. So these are swivel hoses, so got easier here. Fuck, I left the impact over there. Okay, we'll see right now. Alright guys, so I installed the new hoses down there, new electrical wire. Now we're changing the glad hands on here. I'm gonna have to change this one. Oh, it's still good. So supposedly this is a better quality hose and electrical wire, because the other one was super cheap. I don't think they'll fit. Let's see. It's kind of loose. You might have to tighten it a little bit, but I want to test it good. Okay, all the way in. Yep. See the trailer there? All of them on. Side one. Yep, good to go. Turn signal. Yeah.